Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw your USDT from Trust Wallet. And it's quite simple. All you need to do is make sure you have the USDT and you have the native token of the network you wish to send it on. Basically, if you want to send your USDT on the Solana network or on the Solana network, you must have some Solana. If you want to send on the Polygon, you must have some Matic. If you want to send on the Tron, you must have some TRX. And if you wish to send on the Binance or the BEP20 network, you must have some BNB, which is this black BNB, the Smart Chain token. As you can see, BNB Smart Chain at the top. So now all you need to do is simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this toggle and simply search for USDT. By doing this, you could simply find the USDT BEP20, which is just here, this USDT BEP20. Click on it and click on the send option. Now, please make sure you have the BNB to send, that's the Smart Chain BNB, to be able to perform this transaction. And with that, all you need to do is minimize and find the wallet you wish to deposit in. And for this video, we're going to be working with the MetaMask. So open up your MetaMask. And with your MetaMask opened up, you'll notice that you may be dropped at the Ethereum main network. No worries. All you need to do is simply click on the icon at the top of the screen. Click on the icon at the top of the screen and select the BNB Smart Chain network. Once you've done that, simply select the import tokens, which is just below here. Click on the import tokens and simply search for USDT. Now, once you've selected USDT, scroll down and click on the import option. And by doing this, we can then receive USDT on the BEP20 network. So click on this USDT, scroll down and select the receive option. Once you've selected the receive option, copy the address, minimize, open up your Trust Wallet, paste it in, put in the amount you wish to send, click on continue and proceed to pay the gas fees using your BNB, which is just 0.00648 BNB, and click on send your USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.